Well, according to the weather forecast, today is supposed to be one of the hottest days of the year. And one of the best things that you can do for wildlife on a hot sunny day is to make sure that you put water out in your garden. Now you can put water out in lots of different locations, just in little dishes or bowls, or if you've got a pond, that's ideal. But one of the best things that you can have is a bird bath. And that's what I've got here. I've made sure it's topped up. We'll just pop a little bit more water in there, just to make sure that there's plenty. And then in the middle I've put a few pebbles, and that just gives a little bit of surface there in the middle, so if you get some of the smaller birds coming along, they can get in there in the middle, they can really get into the water and have a splash around and have a drink. Now what I'm going to do as well is pop my trail cam overlooking it, and hopefully we'll get some lovely footage of birds drinking and splashing about having a bath. So I'm just going to set it up now. As you may probably have seen, I've got a little bit of string that I've fitted on here. Now with this particular trail cam, it has a close-up lens and it has a minimal focal distance of 460 millimeters. So what I've done is I've fitted a piece of string with a marker at 460 mil, which means that whenever I set my trail camera up, it makes it dead easy to make sure that it's in the right position, to make sure that any footage that I record is in focus. So I'm just going to pop it on the tripod. Here we go, that's all set. So we'll just check and make sure that it looks as though that's in position. That looks pretty good to me. So then we'll switch it on. Position the cam. That looks pretty good. And then we'll leave it for the rest of the day, and we'll see what birds turn up.